Let's first off go to the lifts in Premier, which are some current monospaces from 2008 and go 1.6 meters a second.
Doors open. Then up. Doors closing. First floor. Doors open.
And now along to the 2 meters second Otis Gen 2 in the uni accommodation. This is probably one of the best Otis Gen 2s I have found so far because it's really well built. Yeah.
Let's be the quickest Gen 2, you guys.
She's good.
Get on 5 It's quicker than Kashima.
Yeah. About 2 meters a second.
Yeah, it is.
She's coming up to my
Fucking Oakley sped it up.
feet.
He used to be an Otis engineer, so I know how to work on Gen 2s.
The door closed over. Oh, look.
No.
This is nice.
Room 11 is good as well.
Yeah. And now to the really badly maintained Schindler 4400, as it has the 5400 motor but with no chassis. It's so badly maintained. fix those. And back to the Coalition premiering to go a full speed ride to basement.
Why the camera faces can open the cabinet.
God, it's fine, just take the lift. There's not even a set. Which one goes down to this one?
Doors closing. Floor -2. Doors open.
And now to the lift to Pure Gym, which I'm guessing is either a Schindler Iconic from when the building was originally built, or a Schindler 5400 like the rest of the lifts. Yeah, the lift still ain't working. I still can't tell, because it is still quite an old building if it's an M series or a Schindler. Because it's got the slightly M series, because you can't...
Probably works.
You know, that's 5400, you can tell with the dogs. Never mind anyway. And now to the next one, which is the exact same as the other one, a Schindler 5400, and is badly maintained.
This is the shit company magazine.
Now to the next Schindler 5400 in the apartments. This is the exact same as the last one in really bad condition. They really need to maintain these lifts better, honestly. Wait, did that count as cook then? Damn. We'll get up now.
It's shit, this is.
Yeah.
Because the company maintained it.
And now to the next lift, which technically isn't a part of the St George's complex, but I decided to film because it's really good. It's a nice train station, standard lift with pre-doors and intelligent levelling, and it's really good than its past lift that used to be here before it. They're like, you can see it from there.
Why did you try and hold me in station?
Oh, I noticed because I ran away as a kid and you still haven't walked past because my mum put me.
Doors open. Lift going. Doors closing.
I'll come to the car pressure. Oh.
Looking. Doors open.
It's good.